What is going on, guys? This is Fishing with JC, and today we are on the Swan River on a Friday afternoon. A little bit cloudy, slight wind, but no rain, and it is an awesome day. So I'm just trawling at the moment, trying for some tailor, and as we work our way up river, we're going to make our way to the Maragara Bridge and fish under the pylons, and it is going to be an awesome time. Let's get into it. So we are just under the Maragara Bridge at the moment. Oh, don't let that, yep, perfect. And we have just dropped Brody's line out, towed it out and dropped it near one of those pylons to try and get a brim. Now hopefully I'm able to get a brim under here. So we're going to try a couple different methods of lures, baits, and yeah, that's basically it. Might try for some tailor later, go for a big trawl, but we'll see how we go. Let's get into it. I think Brody might be on. Well, let's get a line in, hey? Right there. Oh, had something on. It wasn't the biggest, probably a couple of blowies or maybe a grunter, or even maybe a small little brim. Yep, do we have something on? Only small, probably. Yep, and the blowies are in. Now we're gonna put on one of these squidgies. These are my most favourite soft plastic. I've caught so many flathead on them, and I've caught a couple brim, but the flathead absolutely love these. Get that tip wrap undone, and off we go. Send this out to one of the pylons off the wall, and then just let it sink to the bottom, and then give it a few hops very slowly. Let it sit, give it those 2 hops again. Oh, yep. Just at the shore. What is it? Oh, it's a flatty. Oh, it's a big flatty. Get him in, get him in. Oh. Oh, he's huge. Ah, calm down, mate, calm down. Nah, calm down. Oh, he's a big flatty. Have a go at that. Just put the rod down. Oh, no. The hook just came out. The hook just came out. Look at you. Have a go at that. It's a huge flatty. Yeah. Don't hate him, Mr. Pelican.
Flatties are on.
Well, today we only caught one flatty, and Brody caught that tiny little whiting that we chucked back. But honestly, I had an awesome time, and I definitely want to do this again. Now, the couple other times that I've come down here fishing with these squidgies, I've caught some awesome flatheads. I'll show you some photos and videos of them. Oh yes! Flatty. Big flatty. Big flatty. Bring it up and over. There we go. Yes. I want a flatty. Yeah, baby.
Bye, Flatty.
Yes, Brody. What have you got? What have you got?
Flatty.
Oh, it's a brim. Oh, you're joking. Get that in, get that in.
Slowly bring it.
Yep, perfect. Awesome, Brody.
You!
I'm sorry that I haven't been uploading as much as I want to, but I'm trying my best. In a couple of weeks, I am going up to Shark Bay in the boat, and it is going to be a blast. We're going there for about a week or so, and it's going to be full fishing trips, and it is going to be amazing. There's going to be a couple episodes coming out about that. Hope you enjoy. This is Fishing with JC. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in the next one. See ya.